Stop scrolling if you're a retro gamer or a handheld console lover. This device is wild, and it's now 71% off. Okay, check this out. This is the Trimui Smart Pro handheld game console, a next-gen retro gaming experience that actually fits in your pocket. It's got a gorgeous 4.96-inch IPS screen, super responsive joystick controls, and those RGB lights. Chef's kiss. Whether you're into Mario, Street Fighter, Metal Slug, or even Pokemon, this little guy brings all those memories flooding back, but honestly way better and way faster. Let's talk specs because this thing is stacked. It runs on a smart Linux system, which means it handles thousands of retro games like a breeze. Battery life? Long enough for a cross-country train ride. You get built-in speakers, micro SD support, and that RGB glow just makes it look ridiculously cool. I'm telling you, it feels premium, plays like a dream, and looks like it's from the future. And here's where it gets absolutely insane. It's 71% off right now, dropping from 27,798 yen down to just 8,005 yen, but only for a limited time. Deals like this don't come around often, trust me. For real, whether you're getting this for yourself, your best friend, or even your kid, this is the perfect gift. It's compact, nostalgic, affordable, and honestly just a blast to play. So click the link below and grab yours before they're totally gone. Seriously, stocks are flying. https://s.click.aliexpress.com/e/_ODDHTCA. Hit like if you love gaming deals. Subscribe for more tech reviews. And hey, let's bring back the retro vibes, one console at a time.